For today's virtual tour, we're coming from the Regency Towers, located in the Las Vegas Country Club and built in 1974. This building offers over 28 stories and a penthouse suite. It is guard gated, has concierge services, and all the amenities you would expect with high-rise living. This unit is located on the 5th floor and is available for lease for just under $1,600 a month. Upon entering, you are immediately greeted with a half bathroom, and the stackable laundry is located in the closet on the corner. There's additional storage in this closet, and one of the things you'll notice as we go throughout this unit is floor-to-ceiling glass throughout. This unit also has an open kitchen concept, but the highlight is really the unobstructed views of the Strip, golf course, and pool located within the Las Vegas Country Club. All of these amenities are available and included in the price of rent. This open concept provides for a seamless dining room that gets to enjoy those beautiful Strip views as well. So you can see this gourmet kitchen has matching black appliances and a granite countertop. As we make our way into the primary bedroom, you'll notice even more ceiling to floor mirroring throughout to make this unit feel really large. The primary bath has its own jetted tub and a generous sized walk-in closet that is common to most units here in the Regency Towers. This just about wraps up our virtual tour of a one-bedroom model here at the Regency Towers. There are also two-bedroom units available in this building with prices starting under $300,000. One of the nice things is all units in this building do feature a walkout wraparound terrace. For more information about this or any other unit, be sure to subscribe to my page, click on those links, or contact me at the information on the screen now.